That's the first animal we see.
What is it?
That's the lion. Bosnian lion.
That bird looks like it has a blue.
What?
Like it has a blue feather.
So,
Up on the tree.
yeah.
It does blue. See? It has blue feathers.
No, that's is it the crow. Oh.
I think we saw them yesterday.
Good guy.
We do you remember
Yeah,
the
yeah,
kid
yeah, I remember the
with
hair. I remember the hair. I was jealous. That's the guy. They're doing the same thing. Ah, you know what's different now? They added fishes in the lake.
Ah,
So yeah, we'll see the fishes. And a swan. Swan, I don't know. Was swan here?
yeah. We passed that way.
Maybe we can post like everything, basically, around the unedited, uncut.
What's the difference between a swan and a duck?
Oh, this is what's the name of this guy? This is we call gooska. I don't know what's the English word.
Goose.
Ah, goose. Similar. This is wallaby from Australia.
Now there's more. Like we don't need to wait and check on them.
Those are deers there. Somebody's feeding them. They are all
Llama.
next to fence. No, behind llama. See the guys feeding those
Ah,
deers. They all came to the fence. Koisha.
I think it has more water before.
Yeah, it was winter. Yeah, actually, huge difference. I think. Oh, those are the fishes they added.
You think they will survive
Carp.
during the winter?
Koi carp. Yeah, of course. The surface will be frozen, but underneath there will still be oxygen. Yeah.
Or maybe they will
4
put
degrees.
like a heater somewhere. Oh, we missed that part.
Which one?
I know we can trust.
Yeah, but let's go all the way. There are more animals here. I think here
Molimo Vasna.
raccoon. I don't see him. I think last time he was on the roof. This is fox. No, raccoon. Sometimes they hide really well, so look around. Last time he was lying at the roof.
Or maybe it's already a bit late now.
He's not here. Okay. Foxes. Chilling.
Oh.
3 foxes. 4 foxes. One is laying down.
One is upset looking at you.
Oh yeah.
See? Like, what is it?
She's worried. She's on a distance. Oh, look at these guys.
This is
Look at these guys. Mara.
huh?
Mara.
Stinky.
Chili. Chilling.
And wild bird. Stinky bird. Oh, this is.
All goats. That's how goat in Philippines. Are Filipino goats sick? Why do they? That's... I think it was poop. Oh, look at these tiny goats. Meh. That's the Bosnian. Cool. Meh. Dođi.
It's like a bird.
Oh, this tiny guy. Look at him. Look at the birds.
Ooh.
Hey,
Is that?
buddy. No.
This one is hiding inside.
Donkey. Yeah. Donkey, but he's inside.
I think the last time he was also hiding.
Oh, look at the buffalo. Buffalo. Buffalo.
He like buffalo wings.
Wow, so huge guy. Look at the hair. Wow, I'm jealous.
He needs a haircut.
Huge hair. Huge head. Wow.
I should have wear something red.
Really big head.
Rubbish, but okay.
Nobody here. Oh yeah, there is. This is, I think, a Scottish
This is like a bull.
Scottish cow. This guy is always here. Yeah, Scottish.
Oh,
They moved the goats. Goats were with this guy before, and I think they moved them over there. This is antelope, one of the antelopes. Some big one. It's called eland.
eland, antelopa. Antelopu. I believe. Let's try my thing.
It doesn't care.
No, no effect.
It's a lie. Let's pass through and see the bear, lion, and a tiger, and the monkeys. And then we are done. Oh, I wonder if crocodile is at the same place in the same pose. If it is, I think it's fake, because I've never seen it move. I've been here like 5 times, always same pose. Might be fake. But let's see if he changed position.
You think the twin can carry me?
Yeah.
I want to start running.
That's it.
Good swing,
Tested swing.
strong enough.
I'm surprised we are alone here.
Huh? There's a family there. Crunchy enough.
You know what? One of the videos we can make, like we can show a couple of places compilation, like what can you see in Sarajevo.
Yeah.
We have been to a couple of places, like compilation of different videos. Those are pigeons, but let's see the bear. Last time he was awake. He was there. I think there are two bears. One is bigger one is smaller one. I think male and female. And sometimes they let one of them out, but never both. I think they keep them separated. Let's see. Oh, kids are here.
Next time you come to Manila, we'll go to Manila Zoo.
I think he's feeling it. Oh, there's the bear. Wow.
Ooh.
I think he wants food. Wow, so big. No, I don't think so.
Do you think you can jump that high?
No, of course not. You can't really do it.
Huh? You think this is how big your bear when you're running
I
small?
don't know. Yeah, maybe. But I'm not sure if this is a guy or a girl. One of them is much bigger. Maybe this is a girl, maybe this is a smaller one.
Look at his nose.
It's fine. It was a really good sense of smell.
I took a shower before I came here.
I don't know, he was smelling a lot.
Somebody didn't take a shower today.
Tiger. Ah. Tiger is off duty today. Too bad.
He's always off duty.
No, last time it was here.
Ah, really?
Yeah, he was attacking Elmir. He was sitting
Ah,
there.
yeah.
Let's see the lions. There's some birds here. Let's check the lion.
Oh, it's open. Maybe it's just crazy inside.
Yeah. Oh, here is the lion. B. Wanna test him? No, sit there and turn his back to him. Let's see if he's going to attack. Sit there. The lion looks so skinny, huh? Turn around, don't look at him. Don't look at him.
What if he suddenly bit me?
No, he cannot through the glass. Don't look at him.
Instantly mad.
Don't look. Seriously. B,
I'm
stay
afraid.
looking to me. No, there is a electric fence plus glass. Don't be afraid. Oh, it's coming. It's coming slow. Why are you? Okay.
Oh, there's two of them.
That's a lion, but he looks so skinny, right? And he looks small. And this girl looks bigger. Let's check further. Big cat.
And we can try to.
Hmm? Oh, there are monkeys there. We can check on the way there. Can check them last. Let's see the snakes here. Oh, there are meerkats here. Not today. No one. Maybe they're inside. Oh, it's supposed to be a cat here, but I've never seen it. No. These guys are sleeping. This is lemon. Sounds strange.
Oh wow.
Snake. Python. Iguana. And let's see crocodile moved. Oh yeah. Yeah, he did move. So maybe he's not fake.
What do you mean he didn't move?
Before he was laying straight on that, now he's facing us. So I think he's real. But
Virtual
here,
for real.
everybody's frozen here.
Huh?
Everybody's frozen here in this. Nobody's moving.
Maybe they moved the birthday. Oh no, the birthday is moving.
I know, it's real now. I know. These guys are chilling. Monkeys. Big trouble.
When we were here before, I think their blood was wanted.
Check that one.
Too much blood. Not so good.
Well, let's go with this America. Nobody here. But you would think it's nicer to be outside for the... Ah, maybe it's closed, that's why they're in. Yeah,
Maybe
it's
the
closed,
best
they're
of the
locked
weather.
out. They're locked out, so they cannot come out.
Maybe only during the day.
How did they go to bowling? Serious. And let's see these monkeys. The big one.
Where?
Sometimes they are on tree over there, but I don't see them now. Maybe they're inside here. If they're not in the tree.
Inside, monkey.
Ovaj gibbon.
Evo je ovdje.
Aha. Yeah, we saw other monkey. Gibbon, yeah. A nekad ih ostaje to unutra, jel? Jel zbog kiše ili...
To je čim se završava radno vrijeme, znači
Aha, ne mogu ostati.
sad recimo pogotovo kad su ove kiše, kad je onaj vjetrovi.
Da. Mora neko prst naći.
Treba te afričke azijske životinje moramo i baš posebno tretirati. Imate unutra, jeste li bili?
Jesmo. Vidio sam. Hvala.
So monkeys in Bosnia eat carrots.
Of course. It's healthy.
Make their eyes clear. Good diet.
There is white guy also. In the background.
It's a little bit dark now.
Yeah,
What did
she
you
said once their work hours finish, they start locking them because there is nobody. They cannot. They might jump over and stay outside. You never know. But normally they are roaming here. There is electric fence on sound there, but it's risky. I mean, imagine if he jump. Also, he can drown. I don't think these guys can swim because they're afraid to go to the water. Yeah. Anyway, that's about it. We didn't saw deers and llamas, but we saw like 90%.
This is a good view.
90% of it. I'm going to stop the video.
Thank you.
Thank you.